Good morning, friends. I'm Professor Shivayogi Patel, working as assistant professor in Thondadara Engineering College, Gadag. So, I'm releasing this latest video in continuation with my earlier four videos I have already released in the series of Live Life King series, in which I am stressing about 5 P's. So I have explained almost all of them: the purpose, the passion, the performance, the persistence, the priority. So these are the 5 P's you need to have to success in life. So in continuation with this, I want to stress out many important points in these videos. So regarding the today again, I want to concentrate on what our honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi has addressed the nation on a few days before at 8 p.m. and stressed on making India one of the self-reliant country, independent, totally aristocratic country with our own products, with our own developed indigenously, with our own indigenous technology. So he is dreaming of making India as a totally financially and technologically independent country. So he has given a call to ban foreign products. Okay, it may not be possible immediately. Slowly, they have to be banned, and we should have our own products. So, in that direction, I wanted to advise all my students. Please think about becoming an entrepreneur after your graduation. So be prepared for that, and try whatever you can to gain the knowledge to how to be an entrepreneur. So I will also help you with many sessions like this. So government has many trainings that will be given from time to time for the aspirant to be entrepreneurs, the students who are aspired to be entrepreneurs, because getting a job will be going to a very very tough job after your graduation, especially after your corona after corona pandemic is over. It is a very very tough job because of the excess of resources, human resources what we have today. So therefore this is an opportunity for you to make yourself a self-reliant, independent entrepreneur instead of depending upon anybody else for your job, working under somebody else, etc. So there are n number of opportunities are there. This even the corona threat has provided you an opportunity to think on this line. So my dear friends, so apart from your regular study, please involve in creative thinking, innovation thinking. So every colleges have something called innovative clubs. So they will for giving the scope for identifying the students who have innovation capabilities, who have creative spirit and all those things. Please participate in those activities of the clubs, or yourself plan some activities which will enhance your creativity, which will push your creativity, pushing beyond your limit. Then whenever there is a training in this regard in your college, so don't miss those trainings. There are a lot of internet videos are available who can enhance your creativity and innovation, who can guide you how to become a successful entrepreneur. So NPTEL is also has a lot of videos regarding entrepreneurship, management of businesses, or business management, what we call it as, and creative and design thinking and a lot of those things. So I urge you to stop thinking about the jobs, because jobs will be very scarce. however high percentage you get, jobs will be very scarce. But at the same time, starting an industry or entrepreneurship is not that easy. You have to develop leadership skills. You have to improve your communication skills. You have to improve your what you call. You have to develop management skills. You have to develop your marketing skills and all those things. But it is an opportunity to develop these all these qualities, so that you can groom yourself into a total what we call it as a developed personality. A personality has all these traits. Personality development will have all these traits to be developed in a person. So you have an opportunity. So whenever, because they say that necessity is the mother of all invention, so necessity is the mother of all opportunities also. So it is your dire need today to be independent, self-reliant. So develop that confidence. So I am urging even colleges to have many programs to help you in developing the confidence, to help you to get groomed in the personality development, soft skills and all those things, so that you will be ready for the entrepreneurship. So with this video, I am urging you, I am requesting you to be self-reliant and think in the direction of becoming an entrepreneur, so that you can make India a strong, developed, independent, self-reliant country, and your contribution will always be remembered by the country in this direction. So you can add value to the society, you can add value to the nation and its development, its GDP. So because Japanese even today they excel in their duties, because they consider patriotism is all about the contribution to the country in the form of GDP, in the form of the development. But unfortunately, that kind of mindset is not there in our country. So we have failed to imbibe that mindset in students also. Somehow we feel patriotism is all about just flag hosting, singing national anthem and praising some army person. So our patriotism starts and ends with all these things. No, this is only a small part of it. Is only just showing our patriotism during specific days, but our patriotism must include how we are going to contribute to the society, how you are going to add value to the nation, so that it will contribute to the development of the nation and development of the GDP of the nation. That is the true contribution, true patriotism. So my dear friends, so today I have focused only on these things. So I have a lot to share, so I will share it in my future videos. So with this, I hope you will be you are going to think about in these lines and study hard, do your labs well, do your projects well, have more energy, more enthusiasm, because I told you all about performance, purpose, passion, performance, priority and persistence, the important. So practice those 5 P's. So definitely they will help you to come out of your comfort zone and move out in the path of the success. So best of luck, my dear friends. So I will end this video. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.